Hello guys, so welcome back to my Alibaba's video here. So congratulations, okay, if you have been investing in Baba for the past 1 year, you have definitely made a lot of money if you have been buying around below the 100, right? So in this video, okay, I will share with you the valuation. Okay, what is Baba's valuation? Because my previous videos I already covered their fundamentals and their latest results. Okay, so when they release the result, you can see Baba has just straight away jumped. Okay, 12.9%. That means the market is they like the results, lah. Yeah, and then the next few days continue to go up 8%. And by then, after the results, right? Oh, incredible. Okay, it's a 30% upside. Yeah. So congratulations to you guys. Yeah. So in this video, all right. Besides telling you my latest updated valuation for Baba, I think the most important question you guys want to know is, can the stock price continue to go up higher? All right, because I believe a lot of investors, when the price go up quite high already, then they are quite jittery already, quite scared, not so confident. Hey, can the price continue to go up? They do not know. So in this video, okay, I will share with you how we are able to predict or how we are able to see, okay, or even build the confidence that how a certain stock will continue to go up higher. Okay, so I think this video will be very, very important for you guys. Yeah. So before I proceed, of course, guys, okay, in case some of you are new to me, my name is Daniel Lim and I'm from Better Investing Academy. We are the expert on helping people recover their portfolio if you have still suffering from losses, and we also help people to build wealth safely and consistently from stocks. And here you can see a lot of these people, right? These are my members in my community. They're from both Singapore and also Malaysia. And my YouTube, I'm very proud to have your support. And currently, I have more than 30,000 people, okay, subscribers in my YouTube channel, and I am also leading a Telegram stock investing community lah. Yeah. So for those of you guys, you want instant updates, okay, more engagement, or even maybe free stock sharing sessions, okay, you can join my Telegram here. Yeah, you can just click the link down below in this video description, and you can join for free. All right. So let's get started. So what is Baba's valuation? Right. So before I move forward now, because in order to understand the valuation, I would definitely recommend you guys to watch and understand the fundamentals first. Okay, why I decided, let's say for example, why I decided to give you kind of valuation stuff is very interlinked together with Baba's fundamentals. So if maybe you are new to Baba, you want to know their potential in the future, I highly recommend you guys, okay, to watch a few of my these videos here. Yeah, so you can go to my YouTube. Okay, like for example, you go to my YouTube Alibaba playlist, right? Okay, so the three videos on it, you only need to watch three videos. All right. So the first video I would highly recommend is this number 7 video. Okay, it's Alibaba Undervalued, the complete guide to Baba's business and valuation. Okay, this first video, very short video. Okay, then which one? Okay, can Alibaba go back up to $300? This is the second video for you guys. And then the last one is this one, the latest video, which just I think last week only. Yeah, I gave their latest update and why I'm more confident than ever on their business. So if you want to understand the whole thing, okay, my 2-3 years of Alibaba's knowledge is being compressed into these three videos. You want to know everything, these three is enough for you guys. Okay, so once you watch, then you can come back to this video and understand the valuation. All right. Now, let's get started. So Alibaba's price to sales ratio right now is around 2.3 times. So what is price to sales ratio? It's a multiple whereby we check how much the market, or the investors out there are willing to pay, okay, to own $1 of Baba's revenue. All right. So the higher the number is, that means the higher the market is willing to value the company, right? So to be honest, I tell you, Baba's price to sales has been very depressed for many, many years, hovering around 2 times only. And by our standard, price to sales 2 times is really very cheap. Yeah, because the SaaS companies out there in the US, all right, and of course including China, average okay, is around 8 times, 8 to 10 times one. The good high quality companies. Yeah, so it's around 2 times right now. And their average price to sales ratio is around 7.1 times. That means what? That means throughout the years, all right, on the average price to sales, the market was willing to pay around 7 times. You can see throughout the history, I pulled back until 2015, 2016, until today for the past 10 years. Okay, so you can roughly see a range that market has been willing to pay 7 times. Wow, now drop until 2 times only. Yeah, so for now we all agree. People have been shouting Baba has been undervalued for many, many years, right? Yeah. So then we not only compare to their historical multiple, right? I also compare to their peers and other companies with roughly similar businesses. Now, why we do that? Because valuation, like I said, is very subjective, okay, very dynamic, right? We can only estimate. All right, if you think valuation up to a very precise number, that's wrong. Okay, that's very wrong. Okay, the most we can do is we can estimate and we can make sure there's enough margin of safety and we know that there is some upside. That's how we continue to invest because we can never ever know, okay, how the market was willing to pay, okay, for a certain stock. So that's how we look at it. So it's like now Baba, right? You can see Alibaba. You can just watch here. Now the price to say is around 2.3 times. Then I compare with who? You know what? 1810 is what? Xiaomi. Okay, Xiaomi, the market was willing to pay 3 times. Okay, then Tencent, you all know Tencent because in China, I want to take around the peers. Tencent and the market was willing to pay 7.45 times. That's why if you check both Xiaomi and Tencent's share price, they go up, right? Then you go back to the US. Okay, Amazon and Microsoft. Why? Because Amazon is also an e-commerce company and they also have cloud data business. Microsoft is the same, also have a cloud data business. So you can roughly estimate already by this information I share with you guys. Like for example, I want to tell you guys is like for example, Baba, their own average price to sales ratio very low already compared to average. And you compare to the peers is also the lowest. So we roughly now confidently know that hey, Baba's multiple is really very depressed, is among the lowest, and we have some margin of safety already, right? Okay, so that is why I skip the calculation and stuff. Okay, I already calculate everything for you guys. Already the valuation. So based on this, your question you should ask yourself is, hey, if that is the case, the market was willing to pay this much multiple, like for Tencent 7 times, Xiaomi 3 times, or even Microsoft with their cloud data center business willing to pay that high, right? So how high, okay, the market was willing to pay? Okay, because what I can see right now is, if you watch my previous videos, Baba's fundamentals has clearly improved. It has clearly improved. So currently right now, if let's say, okay, Baba, the market is willing to pay them price to sales 3 times. That means they re-rate the multiple of Baba. Then the valuation is around 180, which is a 16% upside. Okay. If let's say the market was willing to pay 6 times, then Baba's price will be 360, and that's 132% upside. But of course, they are willing to pay like Xiaomi 7 times. Then Baba's valuation is around 420. That means 170% upside. So based on the historical value of how the market was willing to pay for Baba, right? Well, I personally, I think the market it should value Baba at 6 times. Yeah, because of the similarity with Microsoft. Later, I will compare this company. I will tell you why. Yeah, so my valuation, personal valuation for now, I think the market should value Alibaba if the business continue to improve in their data AI and data center business. Its price to sales 6 times and $360, and that's another 132. That's another 132% upside. Okay, now that you know the valuation, right? Then most investors they stop already. They stop. Oh, okay. So it's like 360. Wow, now 155. Wow, very cheap. I buy. Then they never do anything else already. Now, this is why I say there is a common investor's mistake. And I think I already reached the most important part of my video. And I want you guys to pay attention. The most common investor's mistake is they thought a higher valuation, higher valuation like that means make money already. That's really, really wrong. Because a higher valuation doesn't automatically, I repeat, doesn't automatically mean the stock price will match it. Because at the end of the day, they forgot, yes, you yourself think the value is here, the price is here. Oh, I buy, I make money. You didn't make money because the price never go up, match the price. So the next thought you want to ask is what? You want the price to go up. That's why people has been shouting since 2022, Alibaba undervalued. I know. Yeah, he's been undervalued. It's supposed to be priced around 280 and above one. 280 at the time when I calculate that. Everybody said, okay, it's undervalued. Then you continue to hold, okay, for three years, 4 years like that. Okay, then there's a lot of opportunity cost. But why the share price keep on cannot go up? This is the one piece of the puzzle that investors didn't know. All right. So it's very textbook investing. Buy undervalued stock, you make money already. No, you only make money when the stock price go up, and the price will go up to match the value of the company. Right. So the next question in this video I want to teach you guys is you need to find signs and understand why stock price go up. Okay. When you know this, then we apply onto the next question as can Baba stock price go up higher? All right. So I want you guys to learn this so that you won't get trapped anymore. Yeah. So you take, in this video, I would like to take these three examples here: Xiaomi, Tencent, and Microsoft. Okay, and then whether the stock price movement between these three stocks here, okay, can it happen to Baba? Okay, now why? Okay, let's go to Xiaomi. Okay, you see Xiaomi, right? In around here, okay, around here, 2023, right? The price dropped, right? Then your next question is, you take a look, right? That Xiaomi, hey, why Xiaomi can go up like that? From 10 Hong Kong dollars, okay, can continue to go up until 50, 60 here. And that's a 486% profit. You need to ask this very, very interesting question. Okay. Then how about Tencent? Hey, Tencent, okay, has been dropping and stuff. But hey, why? Can continue to go up from 250, go up until what? 650, and that's 150% return. Ask yourself this question: why the stock price will go up? And this video here, I will uncover for you guys. I will tell you the signals, okay, and the signs. Okay. Now, first thing is this. Okay, let's go through Xiaomi. First is that you can see the Xiaomi is that the price is already very depressed already. It's at zero. See, at the time this year, it's like 0.8 times, super, super cheap at that time. But cheap doesn't mean you make money. You want the price to go up also, right? Okay, so at that time, we know it's very cheap. But then what makes the price go up? And I will to share you guys this thing. Now, this is Xiaomi's business. Okay, you remember here from here is around 2023, right? Okay, 2023. So what happened around 2023? Now, the first sign I want to teach you guys, okay, there are a lot of factors to be honest. But in this video, I want to simplify for you guys. I want to show you the biggest factor that will push the price to go up. Number one is we saw there's potential recovery already. Now, why the time market, the price go down and stuff, right? It's because of this. Okay, you can see it's because the price, okay, the price go down is because why? During this period, there is a declining in revenue already. So that's why, right, the market don't like it. I can see from 2021, drop, okay, from 2022, here, 2021, 2022, 2023, the price drop, right? Because the business is declining. Then I think by now you should know already why the price go up, right? Yeah, because the business recovered. Yeah, okay, so let me show you the last 12 months so that it's more clearer. So you can see why the first sign, okay, why the price continue to go up is because there are signs already that they're declining here, but every single quarter, can you see? The blue line is the total revenue growth. Continue to keep on growing and accelerating. See, from 7.8%, 17%, 35, 35, 40, and then continue 40. So the market like it. The business recovered already. So that's why the market decided to what? Not only reward the fundamentals increase, but the multiple, how much the market is willing to pay, also increases at the same time. That's why you're able to get 486%. Like right now, the market previously was paying 80 cents, 0.8 times. Now the market willing to pay 3.25 times. That's why the price continue to go up so high. Okay, now you understand this already. And of course, another factor is this one. Yeah, the margins. Can you see? This is Xiaomi's margin. So the margin also another factor that influences the market's willingness to pay a higher multiple. Previously, Xiaomi's gross profit margin 70%. But they see, wow, every quarter your margin keep on going up. Wow, that means your business either get more efficient and it will get more profitable in the future. Okay, so now you understand this already. I think now you also can see Tencent already. So the Tencent here you can see why from 260 wow, go 650, 150%. Tencent, a big company. So the same issue. You can see at that time, okay, you can see the market was paying 3 times. And it was among the lowest in history. You can see 3 times. Okay, previous average, market was willing to pay higher. But wow, now the market, pay 3 times only. So in terms of Tencent's valuation alone, it's very cheap already. Now you can see slowly from what? From 3 times, the market slowly willing to pay higher and higher. And now willing to pay around close to 8 times already. And that's why the price continue to go up. Okay, now you can see the same similarity here. Okay, I close this one. Okay, now you can see the whole business. I think the business has been growing, but not only growing, but now growing close to double digits already. Xiaomi different, you cannot compare because Xiaomi's growth, right? Here, I close this one so you clear. Okay, Xiaomi was crazy, accelerating double digits, high double digits. That's why the price go up higher. But Tencent is also not bad. Okay, Tencent, okay, you can see from here, right? Single digits, then every single quarter start to go up until double digits already. And that's when the market decided to give a higher multiple coupled with the fundamentals improvement. So that's why the price go up. So now you know the secret recipe already. All right. And also the gross profit margin before I forget. Yeah, let me close this one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now you know. Okay, the margin is crazy, right? Tencent. The margin from 40 now go up to 54%. Yeah, so that's why you can see the market was willing to pay higher because the business more certain, investor also more confident already. So that's why the multiple went up because there's a lot of demand and now finally it deserves a higher multiple. Okay, and let's go back to Microsoft. Okay, what happened to Microsoft here? Now, why I take Microsoft is because this business is roughly similar to Baba in terms of the AI cloud. Okay, because you can see, Microsoft's share price has been quite flat throughout these years, never move. Then starting from here, 2014, fly up. Why? Because of this person here, this CEO here, Satya Nadella. Why? Because he came aboard on 2014, and what happened? In 2014, Microsoft, decided to focus on Azure. That means their cloud business already. So they pivot to doing cloud business since that day in 2014. Yeah. So and that's why you can see Microsoft, the cloud revenue continues from 2015, continue to go up. And because of this, you can see Microsoft revenue have a few segments, right? Because personal computing and productivity business processes is the software. Microsoft 365, LinkedIn, right? So you can see the most important is the intelligent cloud, which is the cloud business, AI one. So you can see the bar here, the yellow bar getting bigger and bigger. It contributes a bigger and bigger revenue, contribution to their total business right now. So because of this, right, revenues go up, okay, then there's certainty because it's a subscription. So that's why the market gets more and more confident on Microsoft's business. And this is what happened. In 2014, you can see here, okay, all same story one. At that time, market was willing to only pay 3.7 times, starting from 2014. But why? Why the market willing to pay higher and higher? Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's because the business is getting stronger. They got cloud business is accelerating their business. So the market, decided to reward them higher. And that's why you can see the price continue to go up. Of course, you cannot compare Microsoft. Microsoft was since 2015, right? It was a 1,200% already. You can see the business, same thing. Why? The business continue to go up. And of course, going up at double digits every single year. So that's why for a very big company, mega cap, it can continue to go at double digits every single year. The market love it. So that's why the price go up like that. So now is you get to apply back to Alibaba. Apply back to Alibaba. And these three companies, what that happens, Xiaomi, Tencent, and Microsoft here, can it happen to Baba? So that's why I say you need to understand the fundamentals. So that's why I say, based on these three patterns here, there is a chance that it will happen to Baba for me personally. Okay. And a short commercial break. I want to inform you guys that I'll be organizing a meet and greet with me. All right. So the theme of this event is called BIA Secret to Discover Stock Opportunities. Okay, before the market does. So there will be two events. Okay, if you are from Singapore and also Malaysia, we have two events lah. So for Singapore, it will be on Saturday, 4th October 2025. Okay, at Holiday Inn Atrium. And Malaysia, it will be on Saturday, 11 October 2025 at Plaza Vets KL. So what will be, the topics and discussions that we'll be doing here? So in short, the whole agenda is I will share with you how BIA spots stock opportunities. All right. And of course, when the price definitely crash and drop, right, that's when opportunities come. But I will also share with you how we dare to buy and know the stock price will even recover. Because a lot of investors, when they price drop, they are not sure whether the price will go up or not. I will share with you, how we identify this. And of course, our results. Yeah. So I will also share with you how our members in our community are able to achieve 70% to 100% returns, for the past 2 to 3 years. Yeah. So a bonus topic, I will also share with you the two stocks that we are currently focusing now for 2025 and 2026. Okay, so if you are interested, you can click the link down below and register your respective countries, or you can scan the QR code here. Yeah. So for Singapore, only 19 seats left out of 50. For Malaysia, only 27 seats left out of 50 because I already shared it out with our members and the Telegram community. Now, a lot of them already signed up, so we already left this one. All right. So if you have any questions, do not worry. You can scan this QR code or click the link down below also and contact our team via WhatsApp, and we'll definitely answer you. All right. So let's continue with our Baba sharing. If you remember, I did a video on Alibaba, right? You can see on 2024, on December 10th. At that time, the price was quite depressed. So I give you guys a few criteria to see when Baba stock price will go up. So I give a list of these criteria. And the most important one is they must re-accelerate their growth to 10 to 15% per year. And also, I must see improvements in terms of their cloud business. So jump forward to today, a lot of these are materializing already. So you can see since December 10, 2024, at the time was quite depressed, right? No one was interested. Okay, but I see signs already. So good to see. Okay, good to see that the price has already went up 73% today, okay, since the day I covered Alibaba. So if you still remember, just to refresh your minds, in December 2024, I give a few of these criteria, and so far these two criteria are the ones that only being satisfied. Stable management, honesty and transparency in terms of giving us information on what they'll be doing in the future. And all of these, right, I only see signs, okay, but not confirmed yet. So just move forward to September this month, okay, September 2025. I've been following. You can see my videos. I've been updating you guys on Alibaba, right? That's why you can see right now a lot of it are satisfied already. Latest results, crazy. We accelerated. The AI and cloud business has growing very, very fast, and then investor confidence right now already starting to come back. And of course, no government intervention. So all of these are satisfied already. Now, the more than 10% growth here, good. I'm more conservative. I don't want to say confirm yet because they just hit 10%, right? Now, let me clarify, although they grew 2%, but this 10% here is because, provided we included the business they didn't sell. The management said if you include that, they already grow 10% already. So I assume that they have been growing at 10%. So it's good. Now, so that's why good to know. And on Alibaba, okay, I want to show accountability, of course. My average price for Baba was 115 US dollars. And right now it's 154. So I already profited 34% already. Okay, now, so let's move on. So, and investor confidence also start to come back. If you read their latest news, they decided to raise 3.2 billion through convertible bonds. Why? They want to continue expand on the cloud business already. That means Baba is really going all in right now. So nearly 80% of these funds will go towards expanding data centers already. So I tell you, based on what are they doing right now, I'm fairly confident. Okay, Alibaba's position, competitive position in China to be one of the top data center providers, right? And also AI, they will be one of the top because they have the money. They are one of big companies. They have the cash flow, right? They have a very strong balance sheet, and now they raise convertible bonds, some more raise debts. So they have a lot of cash right now to expand. So this kind of advantage is very hard if other competitors want to fight them. There are a few other only big companies already, but it's good. Okay, but Alibaba right now is one of the top. Okay, next move on. So what to do next? What to do next, right? So another one, common investors' mistakes. Now, a lot. Maybe some of you go watch many YouTubers about Baba video. Wow, okay, good, sounds good. Everything is okay. I continue to hold, I continue to buy. Then you just buy and pray. Now, a lot of investors, this is a very common mistake. What you want to do next is continue to follow up. Okay, continue to follow up because you know why? For example, I want to show this price to you guys. You see, when I covered 10 December here, the price was very low, right? Many people say they want this 73% return, right? But a lot of investors, when the price start to go up, let's say, for example, they go up from here, from around here, I think should be around 90, go up to 140 is a very huge return already. Okay, some may not hold until that profit. Okay, some may decide to sell because their limit is the price go up 30%, 40% already, right? Then they scared already, scared that the profit will lost, right? Then they will sell. Then they sell already, what to do next, right? Okay, then not only that, some of them may think long term. Okay, I will continue to hold because I believe in Baba. But the issue is most investors can't hold through the volatility. Now, volatility means what? It's like I profit here a lot already, right? Then suddenly there's a crash down here. Then I profit up again. Then I go down again. So all of this, okay, emotions comes to play. textbook investing say yes, I buy, I will invest long term, I will hold long term. But when it comes to the real life investing, right, volatility and investors' emotion are mostly the culprit that will make an investor, right, sell the stock at the wrong time because the price keep on dropping, and they cannot stand the losses and stuff, and they sell it. That's why you see there's a saying, right? Why the stock I lost money, I sell one, and the moment I sell, the price go up. This is what it meant. You see, maybe some of them, this one from here drop until here. Some investors cannot stand it already. I sell. And the moment they sell, the price shot up. Right? Okay. So a lot of people, okay, you need to learn how to overcome. Okay, overcome the emotions. And a lot of people, they will be overcome by fear, and then they sell at the wrong time. So the only way you guys you need to solve this problem, right, is to keep your eyes on the price. Okay, what does that mean here? Keep your eyes on the price means you focus on the business, you focus on the fundamentals. That's why you can see just now I show you my price is 115 because at that time, okay, I bought here a little bit, then I saw fundamentals improving, then I continue to buy higher a little bit. So that's why average is around 115. But you can see there's a lot of volatility here, but I don't care. Because why? I focus on the business. I saw signs, and you can see through my videos, I show you guys the improvements they have made already. So the volatility is nothing because I believe in the future, the price will continue to go up. So right now, you can see the market starts to see what I saw in Baba 2 to 3 quarters ago. That's when you position yourself first. You don't chase after the price. That's why I'm 115, I'm very happy already. And then when to push up, I let the other market to push it up. Okay, so that's how you invest in the stock market. Okay, now, so that's why moving forward, the price right now is what? 155. Okay, but my valuation is 360. I feel the market should price to sales 6 times because that's what the market was willing to pay Tencent around 7 times. Okay, I don't want to be too optimistic. Pay Microsoft around 13 times. No, but I know that it's supposed to value higher than 2.3 times. Right? So any upside is really a bonus to me. But in order to give yourself this confidence to buy, to even decided to buy or even continue to hold, okay, for the price to reach this point, you need to understand what's happening and you need to continue to follow up. Okay. Yeah, so that's why, guys, okay, if in this video you like how I update you guys, okay, I'll definitely be updating more things, small minor updates on Alibaba in my Telegram group, of course. And of course, if there's any major things that's happened, right, okay, I will definitely share like in my Telegram group, right, I will share a stock sharing session. I will do a Zoom session with you guys. Like for example, in August, very recently, we shared 2 of our highest conviction stocks in our Telegram community here. So they come in and then they go and listen what are the opportunities and stuff. And I do update Baba for you guys a lot here. So you can see that, okay, we have been updating a lot of our members here, a lot of information here. So, if you want to follow Alibaba and other US stocks perhaps, or you need some guidance on the stock market, okay, feel free to join my Telegram channel. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this update on Alibaba. So again, I think Alibaba still has a lot of runway to go based on the execution. But the most important thing, we need to continue to monitor every quarter. Make sure the thesis is still intact. Okay, so thanks guys, okay, for watching, and I hope you get a lot of value from this. Okay, bye.